Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, not connected no connections are available fix in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. Select your wireless LAN adapter. Right-click Enable Device. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /foolsh DNS. Type ipconfig /renew. Type net sh winsock reset. Type net sh int ip reset. Type exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.